So this is a great question. There's a lot that differs between a cash purchase and going through somebody like me who has to lend you the money to purchase the home, or at least a majority of it. And so when you go in, and mind you, I am a lender, I am not a real estate agent, so this is based solely on what my agents have told me how the transactions go, but you may want to consult with an actual real estate agent before you take what I'm saying into consideration fully. But it's my understanding essentially that when you do go in as a cash offer on a property, then you have to, when you put that cash offer in, you generally have to show proof of funds. So bank statements, for wherever it is that you're pulling these funds from, to be able to show the sellers that you do in fact carry the funds and you don't need a loan to purchase the home. And then the closing, that can be, I've seen cash I've seen cash closings happen in 9 days. I've seen it happen in 2 weeks. I've seen them happen in 3 weeks. So they generally happen a lot quicker because you already have the funds available, and it's really just title doing their work on the back end to make sure everything's clean and clear and they have all the paperwork together to be able to do the transaction, as opposed to when you come to me. Now, when you come to me to do a loan, generally it's about a 30-day closing. We can do them quicker if we need to. We can obviously do them longer if it's requested. But the general rule of thumb is about 30 days. And the reason why is because you come to us, you have to get pre-approved or pre-qualified prior to putting offers in on homes generally. I know the market's shifting a little bit, but generally you come to me, we do that, then you get your letter from us, we send it to you and your agent, and then you go look for homes, go under contract. The letter that I provide is your proof that you qualify for a loan to purchase said home. And then we go through the process of, pay stubs, verification that you're still working, verification of the assets you have to put towards your down payment and closing cost if needed, signing off on the documentation that you're not going to default on the loan and you're going to pay it on time and you're going to have homeowners insurance and all those great things. So, and then we obviously do final verifications right beforehand, and then you wire the money. But that's generally a 30-day process, but it can be sooner, and there's generally a lot more paperwork because you have to sign off with the lender, and then you also have to sign off with the title company and all that good stuff. So